Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove vocals from a song. So let's go to the browser first. Then right here, remove voice from song. Then you'll find this website, vocal remover, vocalremover.org. Click on the website, the first link. Then all you have to just go here, browse my files. Click on browse my files and choose the song you want to remove the vocal from your computer, like this one, and click on open. It will take some seconds to upload the file, so you have to hold on. After uploading, you have to uh, go again. So after uploading, it will start working to you can see the audio is processing. That's mean it will take some seconds to minute to uh, already making your file. After that, you can download a vocal free song from here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.